try to start. So the main thing that keeps coming up when I try to start it now is power steering 13.3, and it will not start. Here is the brake pedal switch. What's going on, everybody? On the way to pick up the brake switch from Advanced Auto Parts. Well, as you can see, I left the battery out. I had it on speed charge, so it's fully charged as of 2 days ago. Brake switch is installed. Plate, 10mm screw, secure the battery to the trunk floor. ABS light came on, traction control light came on, and the power steering service light came on. And that's why this beast had been down. Drained the battery, fried a brake light switch, had to replace that. That was the culprit right here. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you get a notification on every time I post a new video.